how to buy OSOL token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description box. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. Don't forget to go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have a 2,000 to 3,000 members in their community. So one of their updates, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see this MEXC list and post on their X account. As you can see, this token is available for today to trade. Now what you need to do, go to MEXC and create an account. If you don't have an account, just go below in the description and you will see a referral code. Now click on it to create an account to get benefits from that if you want to, of course. Now what you need to do after you create an account on MEXC, what you need to do is just go to your MEXC account. Now what you need to do is just go back to this page and copy this name OSOL and go and paste it here in the search. You will see this OSOL to USDT. Now click on it. Now what you need to do here, just go in this buy section, click on limits or markets. Now here type how much you want to buy of OSOL. So because I don't have any fund on my account, I won't be able to see how much. Now for you, just type how much you will see you want to buy, and here you will see the equivalent of USDT that you will pay after you enter here how much you want to buy. After that, click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. If you select the market, it's easy and simple. Now drag this to set how much percentage of your USDT that you want to buy with, and after that click on buy OSOL token to buy it on your account. So this is how to buy OSOL token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.